In this tutorial, you will learn how to handle the level of details, which is LOD in short. You will learn how to convert a character with LOD, and also how to convert a cloth with LOD. And you will learn how to put the cloth with LOD on the character with LOD. Now, let's go to the first part. Let's convert a character with LOD. To do this, let's switch to the character converter tool. Okay, then let's open a character with LOD in. This tutorial we use the a MetaHuman base model, which we exported from a UE project. When importing the original model first time, we must use auto transform parameter setting. Yes, let's click this button to check. You see the body has 4 LED slits. Save it, we call it auto transformed. Use the default setting. Let's clear this scene. Then let's load this model which we have just exported. This time we use the default setting. We must change the setting to default to merge and decompose. Then the next step, we need match the shape of this character to this character. Again, we use a fast method, use a deformer template. To do this, click this button, then click this button, then click this button. Then we have already imported the former template here, just use it. Click the Apply button. Finish. You see this body has been matched to this one. Now let's convert each LOD of the character. To do this, let's click this button. Then let's check the content of this model. You see this is the for bodies, and for the face LOD 0 has been decomposed to many meshes. We just need to use the main one. Okay, close, finish. Now we hide all of the meshes. Click this button to hide all of them. Now let's click this button. Let's show this one. Body LOD 0. And also show the face LOD 0 main part. We just need these two to convert. Let's finish. Click this button. Click this button then. Calculate export. For this one, name is lot 0. Okay, it's almost done. Click. Now it's finished then. For other LODs, we just repeat the same process. So let's click this button. Then click this one too. Hide all, then click this button. Then show body LOD 1. And for face, we use face LOD 2 because the face has 8 LODs. So we need to just use LOD 2. So let's go to LOD part, the main part. Click on this button to show it. Let's repeat the process. Click this one, then click this one. And we do not do it again. Just close this one. You can do it yourself. Just convert each remaining LOD one by one. Now let's go to the next part, which we will convert a cloth with the LOD. To do this, let's switch to the cloth converter tool. Then let's first open the cloth model with LOD such as this one. Click to open it. Say yes, then click no change. Now it's loaded. Click this button. You see this one has a body and LOD for this cloth. Lot 1. Lot 2. LOD 3. Click. Finish. Then we need to convert each L1 by 1. So before we do that, we first need to match the body shape of this one to this body. To do this, click this button. Click this button, click this button. And we use this deformer template. Okay. It's finished. Then we need to convert each LOD of the cloth. To do this, click this one. Then hide all. Then click this button. Then show cloth LOD is there. Finish. Then for each LOD we need to merge them first. Click this button, then change the parameters to these two. OK then. Click OK then. Say yes to use default setting. Now it's merged, then click this button, then click this button. Okay, then we select this body shape type and go to third step, calculate, modify, and go this one then. Export for. This one we call it MD Girl. Lot 0. Save it, complete it. For the remaining LODs, we do the same process. Click this button, then hide all. Then click this button, then show LOD, then you can go to the merge process and other step using the same process, and we do not repeat here, you can do yourself. Suppose now you have converted all the LODs. Then let's go to the third part of this tutorial, in which we will put the cloth on the character. To do this, let's switch the tool to Dress 3D. Let's first load the original base character. Let's load this one, the auto-transformed. Remember to set no change. Let's close, then click this button. You see its content is here. Then in the right sense, let's open the interchangeable character corresponding to the lot 0 of this character, which we created before. Lot 0. Then we load the cloth of lot 0, converted before this one. Then we need to cut or delete the faces hidden by the cloth. To do this, click this button. Then click this button. Then click the Show Wireframe button. This button, then here. Use your right mouse button, click a point in the background of the viewport. Click one point, then click another one. Just draw a polygon. Finally, go back to the first point. You see, this is the faces we can delete. In the tool, we don't need to delete the faces. Just switch them to another view, so that they not visible and therefore will not be exported. Click this button to do the switching. Okay, now let's go back to this scene. Then click this button then. Switch display to solid. Then use your right mouse button to click on the cloth. Now it's selected then. We copy the selected cloth to this scene by clicking this button which copies the selected cloth. To here. Then clear this scene because we'll put on another lot of the cloth. Clear this scene. Load the character of OD1. We converted before. Then also we need to load the cloth of LOD1. This one LOD1. Again same thing using the right mouse button click on any point of the mesh and copy it. To check it, click this button. Then click this button. You see LOD0, LOD1. Clear scene, repeat the same process for LOD2. You just load it. Lot 2. Click LOD3. Cloth LOD3. OK, then click this button to check. You see cloth LOD0, 1, 2, 3. All are here. You see their number of vertices and faces are different because they are different LODs. Now it's finished. Finally, let's export the results. Let's export the LOD group of this cloth to one FBX file and export the LOD group of the body to another FBX file so we can use them separately. To do this, click on this button then. Let's first export the body part. To do this, let's select the meshes to export one by one. This is the body 0, 1, 2, 3. OK, then export the selected meshes. Click this button. Then name it. Save it. Click. Then save it to overwrite. Yes. OK. Use the default setting. Click Yes. Then click the refresh button to unselect all. Then click this button, then go down to all these 4 LDs, select them. And click Finish. Click this button. Save it to overwrite the file. Then remember to remove the stitching faces, because the cloth contains stitching faces, which are no longer useful. So we just need to remove them. Yes, now. Use the default setting. Yes, it's done. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.